Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. If iPhone battery health not showing in your iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch after update to latest iOS version, then keep watching this video to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before going to tutorial, here we have to keep in mind one thing. If you replace your battery and after replacing the battery, you will face this problem. It's mean you are not replacing the original battery. If your battery is original, then we move to some solutions. Number 1, try the force restart. To force restart, quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. And also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. After force restart, if you're still facing the same issue, then we move to the second solution. We have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on General and tap Software Update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. Then go back to General and tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Here we have to tap on Reset and tap Reset All Settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again Reset All Settings to confirm. After reset all settings, we have to go back to settings, battery health, and turn off optimize battery charging. Now turn off. Also force close all the app that are running in the background and shut down your iPhone for a couple of minutes. After that, turn on your iPhone, launch settings again, battery health, and turn on optimize battery charging. If none of these is not working, then charge your iPhone with Apple approved or original charger. These are the simple and easy fix. None of these is not working, then you need to replace your iPhone battery to original one. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.